What's up, YouTube, man? We in the lab here, man, and today, man, we're gonna be working on door panels, at least a driver's side door panel for the lowrider. This is basically the deconstructed driver's side door panel for the Fleetwood. Uh, the only thing missing here is the panel that goes on the bottom there, where normally that carpet piece would go. I've removed it because I'm actually building custom door panels. Um, to put speakers in there, so yeah, I don't need that part. But this is what the rest of it looks like, and with the exception of the actual felt strip that goes on the top of the door, and this piece that actually sits in here. And basically what happens is this is a two-piece upholstery job. So basically the top part of the door panel is separated with this piece. So this is the easy part for what it seems. Just cut a piece of material. You're going to wrap it around this on the back end. And that way this goes fastened to the actual door panel. And then you can cover the rest, the upper part of the door panel. Now, that is the easy part. The more difficult part is the lower part. Good thing about it is this door panel doesn't have too many curves and dips. The only issue here is these shapes here are going to be a little bit interesting. I don't really know how that's going to work out. Again, this is my first time doing this style door panel. I've done door panels before that are a lot flatter, a lot smoother, and it worked out fine. This door panel was a little bit deteriorated. I actually had to build up the inside with cardboard because I was having an issue where I'd put my switches for my windows and the electric seats, and they would fall through because this was all broken up, these edges. And so I went ahead and built all this up with cardboard. I'm just letting it dry right now. And yeah, so we go ahead and lay out this vinyl for the lower part and cut it to size, and then we'll start looking at how we're going to tackle this. Basically, as you can see, I'm moving, so I've got a lot of stuff packed up right now. So my workspace is pretty small, but I really want to try to get this door panel reupholstered and back on the car, just to at least have the door panels on the car again. Not really too concerned with this bottom part, but I just want the top part to be on there. At least it doesn't look like doesn't look terrible. I'm gonna be using today this Wildwood contact adhesive. This is probably the best stuff I've ever used, and so if it ain't broke, don't fix it. So I'm gonna keep using that stuff. Got my heat gun. I don't have anything to apply this stuff with, so I'm using foam brushes or any kind of brush. Hey, I'm working with what I have. Again, I'm moving, so I've got all my stuff packed up. But we're going to try to make this work. So let me go ahead and set myself up, cut ourselves a piece of material. I've got this black marine vinyl here that I'm going to be using. I think I have just enough to do that door panel. So let's get this all cut up, and we'll click you guys back on once I'm ready to start gluing. All right, y'all. So I got the contact adhesion on the panel itself, as well as the material. Just wanted to let you guys know I do it on both ends, and I definitely recommend applying it on the surface that you're going to be placing it on, as well as the material. I did lay it on thick because it's vinyl, but if you're using any kind of other material, you need to be very careful and not to lay it on that thick because it will bleed through the other end. So I'm not really too concerned with that here, but just something you guys to keep in mind. So let me go ahead and set you guys up, and I'll go ahead and start working this and see if I can film myself putting this together. All right, guys, as you can see, I've got most of it covered here. I do have this little curve here that I'm trying to straighten out, so I'm just heating up the material to make it a little bit more pliable so I can get these wrinkles out right here. Let's see if I can knock that out real quick. Alright guys, well, there's a finished product. Came out okay. Definitely could have done better, but this is a temporary solution. I didn't even add any foam or padding to the back of the vinyl to kind of make it kind of, you can see here, it's kind of raised out, so this part sinks in. So this piece sinks in, and on that side I didn't add any. Again, this is just a temporary solution. I just didn't want to have the car sitting out without a door panel on it. I am going to be doing these door panels over again, but this was a learning experience. I've never done this style door panel before, and now I know what to do and what not to do. So again, this is just a temporary solution, and yeah, it came out okay. Not bad for my first time. So let me know what you guys think. If you have any suggestions, comments, questions, or whatever the case may be, go ahead and drop me a comment, and like, share, subscribe, and all that good stuff. And until next time, man, y'all be easy. Peace.